No. What up, stubborn ones? Hope you're doing amazing. Hope you're out there making it happen and smashing goals. It's another beautiful day here in sunny Florida, but as you can tell from the thumbnail and title, not a very good day for the RB26 and Glowzilla. If you're new to the channel, this is my 1991 Nissan Skyline Jeter. It's a sad day, actually. Not a good day at all, guys. It's crazy because this is actually the car that I baby the most, and it's the car that I drive the least. It is the bad luck 3.2. I have had terrible luck with this car. If you're new to the channel, or if you haven't seen any of my past videos, go check them out. I have one when we found out there was a transmission leak. There's also a video where the transmission shop tried to rip your boy off with crazy high prices for like little work. And this was way back before the Skyline parts price skyrocketed. These guys got the memo early. I also have the video, what was supposed to be a wheel reveal, where the freaking wheel shop dropped my brand new wheels on the lip, scuffed them up. And that was when the wheels were brand new, fresh out the box. They were dropping my stuff on the floor. And of course, there's a door tragedy. Look at that. Makes me sad to see it every time. That's when someone, I told someone to back the car out, and they did it with the door open, straight into the BMW. So, you know, that's like a double F my life. No, it wasn't me. And no, I'm not gonna mention who it was because I don't wanna be in the doghouse. And there she is, boys. The coveted RB26. Straight from Japan. Just how the JDM gods intended. Now, I'm not 100% shocked that this happened, because as you see, it's modified. I think all these modifications are pretty outdated. And when I think about modifications, it means to me that this poor thing has been taking 31 years worth of ass whoopings. Who knows what the people before me did to it. Now, it only has 152,000 kilometers, which equal to like 95,000-ish miles for you Americans. Which isn't bad on the original motor, but who knows what this thing's been through in its past life. I'm pretty sure that it used to be a track car, because you see here, it's got a roll cage and all kinds of other craziness going on over here. So I think it might have been a track car before, but who knows? You never know. So this is what it's doing. So as you can see, when you rev, it does that crazy rattle, and it's somewhere in this area. So I don't know if that's valve tap or rod knock. So go down in the comments, let me know what you think it is. It's in this area. Here's the video one more time. When you rev it up, it does this crazy rattle. It sounds like it comes from this area. I think it's valve tap. I don't know. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think. Let me know down in the comments if you've ever had this happen to one of your cars before, and if you've heard it before, because you know your boy is not no master mechanic. But I do wanna get one of those YouTube certified mechanic things, and I'm gonna hang it up somewhere over here in my garage. That'd be dope. I just wanted to make this quick video to give you guys an update on what's going on with the Skyline, because a lot of people have been asking me on the DMs what's going on. They haven't seen the car on the road. They haven't seen the car at car meets or anything. It's been a while, it's been a minute. Now you guys know why. And I know breakups suck, but has your car engine ever blown the same day that you freaking fill it up with premium gas? FML. But don't fret, don't worry too much, cause you know your boy is always out here making it happen and smashing goals. All you need to worry about is getting your boy to 1,000 subscribers, and then this baby is gonna get all the love and upgrades it needs, cause plans are already in motion. If you look over here, there's a big old box that I probably shouldn't lift, because if you've seen my last video, I almost died. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description for that. Go check it out. The doctor said that I shouldn't be lifting anything heavy for at least a month, but you know your boy don't listen. I'm just kidding, y'all. It's not that heavy. Could you imagine I'd do something like that and I'd like bust a stitch or something crazy? I crack myself up. Bruh. Anyways, plans are in motion. Shout out to my brother from another mother, John at Njuku Racing, for hooking your boy up with some parts. So make sure y'all hit him up. And I've also been in contact with the RB King of Florida down in Miami. And he's got some sick builds. And he's gonna make sure that your boy gets the best of the best. This is gonna be a sick build. So just help your boy reach his goal. And I promise you, you will not be disappointed. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Make sure you hit the notification bell so be part of the Noti gang so you don't miss out on my goofball shenanigans. Tell the people what your grades are.
A, B.
A's and B's. Finally. I put this man through the ringer. Ooh, get him, ooh, get him, ooh, get him. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, see you on the next one. Peace out.